So dear friends, you are watching video all-rounder channel, and this is the question. Given the P of matrix of player A and the total market share of profit is ₹10, and this is the payoff for player A. Now we have to find the nature of the game, maximum and minimax payoff, saddle point of the game, and optimal strategies of the two players. And the last question is it possible to find the payoff matrix for player B? So let's start from question 1. So dear friends, since we are given total market share of profit is ₹10, so the nature of the game, obviously the two-person constant sum game. So the nature of the game is two-person constant sum game. The second question is we have to find out the maximum and minimax payoff. So first we have to write the payoff for the given payoff for player A, and now we have to write in the right side row minima and in the left side column maxima. Now you have to choose the minimum payoff in the row line A1, A2, A3, player A. So this is the three kind of strategies for player A. So we have to now find out the minimum payoff from the A1 strategy for player A. So this is the minimum payoff is 1. Now the minimum payoff for player A is marked by, that is circle sign, so we have to make it circle. Okay, now A2 strategy, okay, for this row the minimum payoff is 3, so mark it by a circle. Now the A3 strategy is here, and this is the A3 strategy. Okay, so the 5. So now see, now we have to find the column maxima. So you can write this like B1, B2 and B3, since this is player B. Okay, this column, okay, column wise payoff is for the player B. So B1 strategy, if we see the B1 strategy, this is the first column, then the column maxima is 5. If we see the B2 strategy, that is second column, then column maxima is 8. And if we see the B3 strategies, then the column maxima is 9. Now we have to mark the column maxima with a square box. Okay, this should be proper square box. Okay, so here also a square box, and here also a square box. Here this 5 is our what? Mini max. Okay, this is mini max element, and this 5 is our maximum element. So therefore the end minimax payoff is 5, and this 5 is also called the value of the game. Okay, this is the equilibrium point. Okay, so the third question is we have to find out the saddle point of the game. So saddle point of the game is, since maximum equal minimax equal 5. Okay, therefore the saddle point of the game is 5. Okay, So 5 is the saddle point in this game. Okay, the fourth question is optimal strategies of the two players. So the answer for the fourth question is optimal strategy of the two players, since the saddle point position is 3-1. Okay, 3-1, that means the third row, this is the third row and first column. Okay, therefore the position is 3-1. This 5 is in the position of 3-1. Okay, therefore the optimal strategy for player A is A3, and the optimal strategy for player B is B1. Okay, this is the answer for fourth questions. Okay, now the last question is it possible to find payoff matrix for player B? Yes, it is possible. Now the answer of question 5 is it is possible. Okay, yeah, first you have to write here 10 10 10 10 10 10. This 10 is written because of this total market share of profit, okay, which is given in term of rupees. Now we have to subtract this payoff. This is 2, subtract 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 1, 8, and here 3. Okay, give the bracket. Now see, 10 minus 2, 8, 10 minus 4, 6, 10. This is the payoff for payoff matrix for player B. So this is the payoff matrix for player B, and we have solved the all questions. Okay.